We have told you that we are not very good gardeners. That does not mean that we don't get excited over the Baker Creek seed catalog. Now it's not the big catalog, it's not the full catalog, but it is still just like being a little kid and looking at the Sears Wish book. I love looking at it. Love seeing all the different varieties and all the things I want to grow and all the things I want to eat. Oh, it is cold today and got kind of a breeze too. But if I don't get anything done today, one thing I'm going to do is I am going to show you this pasture. I keep meaning to do this. If you remember, our very first video was building a chicken tractor. Actually, it's right there. No chickens in it right now because we sold them. But anyway, we built that thing out of scrap material because I didn't want to invest a whole lot into it without finding out if it was going to work for us or not. So we built that little chicken coop, and we built it because all the big guys, Justin Rose, Joel Salatin, John Suskovich, White House on the Hill, Sow the Land, all these guys are building these tractors, and so we wanted to try it out and see what it did. And we just used it. We didn't put meat birds in it. We just used it and modified it for egg collection and the whole 9 yards. But point being, we put them out on this pasture and then planted winter wheat and rye, winter rye out here. And look at this. Can y'all see that? Let me focus. Look at the difference between, this is the area that I put those, that chicken tractor on. But I mean, check this out. Check out this little shape of the chicken tractor. That's where, like, one of the last places I put it. And you see everywhere around it, we planted, once again, winter wheat and winter rye. And we moved this tractor around for about a week out here. And look how thick this is, and you can tell where we did and did not use the chicken tractor. That's amazing to me. Absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about this next spring and summer because we're going to build some more. We're going to put our meat birds in those. I guess just like everybody else, right? Put some meat birds in there and get this pasture up and running. But I am so excited to see the results. It's great to see results, and those are some fantastic results. So carrying on, we got other things to do. If you're a homesteader, you probably got a pile of junk somewhere. You've got the area that holds your spare metal. It has all your extra tin in it. Or you've got your extra 55-gallon barrels for rain collection or burn barrels or whatever. Well, we had a junk pile. Well, where that junk pile was is where we were about to put our tractor shed, and now that has changed because with the junk pile sitting there, we never noticed how mucky it was and how it held water. And now that we've cleared it out and cleaned it up and removed the stump, we're noticing the water. It's holding water. So if you see behind me, we have standing water, and that's not good if I'm going to park a tractor in here. We haven't had rain in 3 or 4 days, and we've still got standing water. So we've got to back up and do something different. So I think, unfortunately, as much as I hate to do it, we're going to have to move the sawmill. Welcome to the sawmill. I've got to move this guy. Now, we've already got a gravel pad on here, which is a huge bonus. That's less gravel that I have to buy to set up for the tractor shed. This whole area is graveled, so parking the tractor and four-wheelers, etc., will be a lot smoother. We're going to move this stack of white oak. It's 1x4 and 1x6 lumber, big old stack there. I've got to move this stack of 2x6s and 2x4s, also white oak. I've got these logs sitting here. And before I do all that, I think it would be very smart to go ahead and cut these logs up for their lumber and get them out of the way without having to move big logs. So, I think it's time to get busy. Sawmill broke down again, so I'm going to order some parts, and hopefully they'll be in time to fix it and saw up the rest of the logs and move all that stuff before the carports come in. Getting really sick of of that, but I'm not going to waste your time on that. I assume only a select few of you are going to want to hear the rant that's going on right here. If you do want me to do a review on that Sawmill, leave a comment down below, and I'll be happy to do so. But I assume most of you aren't in the market for a Sawmill and aren't shopping around, so we're going to move on. This has just been typical for this week. This has been a really rough week. Nothing has really worked out right. The rain. This is the 10th wettest December on record, and it's only in the middle of December. So we've had the Sawmill issue, we've had weather issues. I spent time making this backdrop. This is a cool backdrop, I promise. In person, this is a very cool backdrop, but there is nothing I can do to make this thing look cool on camera, so this is probably the only time that you're going to see it. But I did spend a lot of time making it, so we're at least going to use it once. I'm not going to be all moody right now. What I am going to be is very excited because we're about to give away some stuff right now. We're going to do some drawings. So let me change out of my clothes and get Jessie over here, and maybe we can go ahead and do these drawings. Sound good? Much better. Alright, so we are going to do this drawing. We've got a drawing for the brooder / heater, and that was done on Facebook. And then we've got our little $50 Amazon gift card giveaway, and we're holding that through Gleam. So if my assistant would be so kind to give me the bucket with the names in it, I'd greatly appreciate that. Sorry, we're 50-50 in everything. She's not my assistant. She's not my assistant. She's my loving wife. She's beautiful. I'm ugly. She's smart. I'm dumb. It's just the way okay. Anyway. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna shake these up, and would you at least like to do the honors, darling? We've got a lot of these. We've got a lot, well over 250. It took a long time to print and cut and fold each one of these up, so I know there's well over 250, but I don't remember. So would you? Thank you. That reminds me, your prescription came in. Annie Myers, you are the winner of the brooder / heater. Congratulations. We will be getting a hold of you to get that shipped out to you. And so, yay! Now, we are going to go over to our screen share or our screen recorder and get on the Gleam to do that drawing. Okay, now we're going to do the giveaway on Gleam for the Amazon gift card. Do a screen capture, screen record. Alright, open up Chrome. Oh, that's some very, I was doing some research, don't worry. We'll put up a new tab. No excuse for that. Okay, I don't know how to do this, I've never done this. it has ended. 498 entries. That's pretty impressive. Pretty neat. I think I go here. Draw winners. Draw. While this thing is thinking, I want to take an opportunity to give a shout out to Roots and Refuge for sending people over. A lot of you are from over there. Jessica and Jeremiah sent y'all our way. Also Jeff from Bobblehead Homestead. Just want to give a big shout out to them for sending y'all our way. Anyway, it looks like our winner is Natalie DJ. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me blow that up for you. Okay, congratulations Natalie DJ for the Amazon gift card, and congratulations Annie Myers for the brooder. We hope to do more of these contests in the future, but until then, if you haven't already, push that subscribe button, like this video, and push the little notification bell so you know when we upload videos. Until next time, we'll see you later, Squaresteaders. Thank you.